What's up, guys? So I got another little product here. It's not brand new, but it is a second version of a product. I have the original ones, used them a lot for random little things. It's the Lume Cube, and then they came out with the Lume Cube Air. So it's a smaller one. I believe it's got a magnet into it. So I finally ordered that one. Let's come try it out, see how much smaller it is, see how much longer the battery is. But let's dig into it and check it out. So here it is, comes in a nice little box. I got a couple of extra goodies with it. It's a little mount on your hat, and then it's got a little metal thing here where you can stick it onto something, whatever you want. And then, because it's got a magnet built into it, and then you make that thing stick to wherever you want. So there's the original ones. They're decent size, all solid metal. Got a couple buttons on them. Backs come off. They're all waterproof, so they're pretty sweet. So the new one here. I don't remember the price on them. I'll have to double check the price. I can put that in the bottom. But yeah, it comes in a cool little case here. Got all the instructions. It's got a cool little app to control them. You can have them just chilling out wherever you are, and then make them brighter, turn them off and on. This one comes with cool little filters, to little diffusion things. I believe there's an amber and a white one. I'm not sure. We'll double check right now. So let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so here we go. So it looks like this peels off. Pull the light out here. Oh, it's a little bigger than I was expecting. So we got it's like the power button on the side. Bottom opens here for charging. Oops, sorry. Bottom opens here for charging. It's got a 1/4 screw there. And I'm guessing that's a magnet on the back. Yeah, so see there's the magnet on the back. I don't believe it sticks on any of the sides, just the back. So let's see what else comes in here. So yeah, we got the amber color looking one and a clear one, or soft white. And it also comes with charging cable. Oh, it's cool. It's got you can thread this into the bottom there. Thread this into the bottom there. Carry it around with you. It's got a little lanyard with it. Pretty cool. And of course, it comes with a cool little sticker. It's not a toy. When it gets hot. And of course, a manual here. So check it out compared to the original one. So this is the new one. It's good size. So this one, the light looks the exact same, just it's a little bit thinner. So it's like the main part of the other one there. Actual back of it's, the exact same size there. So it's pretty cool. It's the same height. Just a lot less deep. So it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna charge this bad boy up, see how bright it is compared to the other ones. The other ones get real bright. And the other ones have 2 buttons, so I'm gonna see how that differs from them. Only having one, this one only has 1 button on it. So I'm guessing it's on, off, and the different levels. The other one had an on-off, and then you can kind of adjust it, do different little features with it. But I'm guessing you do more with the app in this one instead. So yeah, I'll put the link in the bottom so you can check it out. So I'll put the link in the bottom so you can go check it out. I bought it off of Amazon. It comes from 2 days if you have Amazon Prime. It's waterproof, Bluetooth pairing. Different levels of adjustment, mounted to the tripod, so they're pretty sweet. I've used these a lot. You can hide them in cars, hide them behind a tire, do them outside for a lot of night photography. You can have it shine up and light up different things. So they're pretty sweet.